If you want to connect TradingView to your Bitget account so you can place real trades directly from your charts, the process is straightforward once you know where everything is. Start by logging into your TradingView account. After you're signed in, open any chart you want to trade on. It could be something simple like a BTC to USDT chart or any other pair you normally follow. Make sure you click the full feature chart option so you're inside the complete TradingView interface with all tools and menus available. At the bottom of the chart, you'll see a tab labeled Trading Panel. Click this tab and TradingView will show a collection of available trading partners. You'll see options like paper trading and various brokers. Tap the option that says See All Brokers. This opens the full list of supported exchanges. Scroll through until you find Bitget. Select it and a window will pop up asking for your API key, API secret, and passphrase. Now you'll need to generate those details from your Bitget account. Open your browser and log into Bitget. Click your profile icon in the upper corner, then go to the settings section. Inside settings, look for API management. Select it and create a new API key. Give it a clear name like TradingView API so you can remember exactly what it's used for. Bitget will also ask you to create a passphrase. This is unique to the API key and you'll need to enter it on TradingView, so make sure you save it somewhere safe. Next, you'll see permission settings. You only need read and trade permissions. Avoid enabling withdrawal permissions because it adds unnecessary risk and isn't required for trading from TradingView. Once you confirm your settings, Bitget will verify your request through security steps such as email confirmation or two-factor authentication. After approving everything, Bitget will display your API key and secret. Copy both of these exactly as they appear. Switch back to your TradingView chart. In the Bitget connection window, paste the API key and the passphrase you created. Then enter the API secret in the appropriate field. When all three values are in place, click Connect. After a moment, if everything matches, TradingView will link to your Bitget account successfully. You'll see your available balance inside the trading panel, and you'll be able to open and close trades directly from the chart with limit, market, or stop orders.